Well, I've made giant strides. I don't call it the Wayback Machine anymore. Well, probably I call it that less, okay? The Internet Archive, if you go to archive.org, it's where you should be uploading like once a month. Take some content as your site's got some. Take some of that content, upload it, and if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, I've got a link to the Google document that has the video link with their own, I guess you'd call it getting it from the horse's mouth, video on how to upload to the Internet Archive and why it's important that you do that. And so, let's get to it.
By committing to monthly uploads to the Internet Archive, you not only protect and preserve your valuable digital content, but also enhance its reach and impact. This practice supports the broader goals of open access and knowledge sharing while contributing to a rich and diverse digital library.
Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It's a wrap.